So a few days ago, I saw a post in a Facebook group of online entrepreneurs, and the question the guy asked was, hey, what's your biggest struggle to be able to grow your online business past 6 figures? And surprisingly, the biggest answer, the biggest problem that most people talked about was time. And that got me thinking, because as entrepreneurs, productivity is not really your goal. And this is a very dangerous trap that most entrepreneurs fall into. The productivity trap that most online entrepreneurs fall into is thinking that they have to do more, to work long hours, to do a lot more, to produce, to themselves being very efficient in everything they do, trying to do everything in their business. Now, this is dangerous because when you try to do it all, even though you are not good at 90% of the things, even though you don't like those things, you are doing those things. And as a result, you're producing suboptimal results for the business, and the business growth is stunted because you're not really the expert at all those things. You're trying to do all those things. You're trying to be productive. You're trying to do marketing and sales and content creation and product fulfillment and customer service and operations and finance. And you're not really good at all of them. You may be good at 1 or 2 of those things. And as a result of trying to do all these things, you're leaving tons of money on the table. So this is a dangerous trap that entrepreneurs fall into, thinking that productivity is the answer. But you have to make a very critical mindset shift from thinking, how can I do more, to thinking, how can I get the business to produce more results? This is a very, very, very important distinction, so I'm going to repeat it. You have to go from thinking, how can I do more, to thinking, how can I get the business to produce more results? When you think, how can I do more, you're always coming up with a list of things to do. You have a long list of to-dos, and it's a never-ending list of to-dos, right? But when you start thinking, how can I get the business to produce more results, and you decouple your personal effort from the business results, now you are actually thinking like a true entrepreneur. You see, your job as the CEO is getting the most important, highest leverage work done by using the best talent in the company or even outside the company, by using and deploying the right resources, whether it's money, time, talent, whatever it might be. Your job is to get the business to create more results, not yourself to do more. Because if all you do is to get yourself to do more, your business will forever be stunted. So the big challenge is not, I see this so many times when I'm coaching clients. They don't want to spend the money in order to hire, in order to delegate to others, because they feel like, and sometimes they don't even know what is the highest leverage work in their business. They're not even sure, out of all the 100 things that they have on their list, which of these will truly move the dial, which of these will truly grow the business. And as a result, they're just stuck. Or maybe they're just trying to control everything and thinking that only I can do it. I must do it. Nobody else can do it. I don't want others to do it. I can figure it out. I don't want to pay others, whatever that might be. All of those things manifest into the problem where the business owner wants to do everything. And as a result, the business stays stunted. The business does not grow. I want to give you a quick example of a coaching client of mine. He makes over $300,000 in his business, had an online event coming up pretty soon, and was working 80 hours a week. And he was trying to do everything for the event: marketing, sales, events, operations, coordination, trying to squeeze every little ounce out of himself. Now, when I saw the madness, I asked him to hand off his marketing to a copywriter. Now, the copywriter took over the marketing and made him an additional $20,000 for the event. And it took me 10 minutes to tell my coaching client the strategy. It took my client 2 hours to hand that marketing work to the copywriter, maybe less than 2 hours. And he spent less than $1,000 on getting that copy written. And he made $20,000 and maybe even more as a result of that effort. So the key shift that I helped my coaching client make was that he had to stop trying to do more himself and instead get the business to create bigger results. There's so much leverage. He spent 2 hours and $1,000 in order to make $20,000. But instead, if he had tried to write the copy himself, he would have spent 5 hours, 10 hours, and probably not even gotten half the results because the copywriter is much, much, much better at that craft than he is. So you have to figure out how to stop trying to do more and instead get the business to create bigger results. Now, if this idea resonated with you, and if you want to grow your online business, if you're a coach, consultant, expert, influencer, and you're making at least $5,000 a month, and you want to scale your business to get to $50,000 months, apply for my group coaching program, 2000books.com/grow. You see, my personal coaching clients, they generate over $8 million annually. And now I want to help you grow and scale your business. So come apply, go to 2000books.com/grow. All right, guys, see you later. Bye-bye.